Last time on Pole House Black Park Weekend Getaways, we arrived at Country Bend Campground, took a tour of our campsite 125, fixed blueberry tropical coffee cake. This week on Pole House Black Park Weekend Getaways, we show you a little bit of the activities of Country Bend Campground, and we fixed Low Country Boil. We're back.
We're back for part two, continuing our weekend getaway to Illinois.
It's a family thing.
Kind of a family reunion on your side.
Yeah. Well, there's a lot more people here than I thought there would be.
It's been busy.
Yeah, it has been.
Lots of family.
Well, it didn't help none that it rained. It's like we brought the rain from Missouri to Illinois.
That's right, but we're going to continue our day here with some fun activities around.
We're going to show you
here.
some more of this campground.
Yep.
It's a really nice campground.
Beautiful.
Only one sticking point is it's parked right next to the cemetery.
That's right over there, but
Yeah, I don't think the residents are going to come and get us.
no,
Do
it's
you?
fenced up, so maybe they can't get over it.
Maybe they can't.
So anyway, it's and we're also going to fix something called a low country boil.
Yes, and we like this recipe. It's easy. So
Yeah.
we're going to show you how we do it.
Yep. And the wind doesn't blow us away. We're going to try to do it over the open fire.
Yep.
So we'll see you for some more weekend getaway. Be back with you. There are a lot of activities to enjoy here at Country Bend Campground, including this short nature hike, putt-putt golf, let's go try. A swimming pool. This is my personal favorite, paddle boats. Eric thought it was a splashing experience. Trying to get his stuff up there, okay. Hey, wait a minute. I'm trying to. Hold on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, I can't pedal. I'm sorry. Well, we're fine if my guy got caught there. Oops. Some other activities include sand volleyball, shuffleboard, a softball diamond, and an activity room, including board games. We also got to enjoy several trains that passed by throughout the weekend. Okay, we're had a great day so far here
Yeah.
at
Little
Country
windy.
Bend. Windy, but partially cloudy. It's been a beautiful day other than the wind. So we're getting ready to start supper.
Uh-huh.
And we're going to do something called a low country boil.
This is our contribution to dinner.
Yeah, and if you've never heard of a low country boil, basically it is,
A Louisiana dish, isn't
well,
it?
it's kind of the southeast coast version of a New England clam boil.
Right.
Where they would use clams up there in New England. Down in the south, they usually use crawfish, shrimp, any kind of things like that. But
we can't do that because I'm allergic to shrimp.
Yeah.
So we're doing it. We call it a low country boil.
it's still got everything else but the seafood.
We are doing shrimp. We're just not cooking everything in together.
Yeah, we're doing it on a separate and people can mix it in. But we're going to do some of the basic things that it requires are,
Potatoes,
red potatoes,
corn,
corn on the cob,
and smoked sausage.
and then some kind of a seafood seasoning mix.
Yeah, we've
I
got
think
that
we're going
right
to do
in here.
zatarans.
That's what we usually use.
I think it's
See
hiding
here.
up behind there.
I think it's right up
This is
here.
a zataran. What is it called? There it is. Yep, we're going to use, it's crawfish, shrimp, and crab boil. But we don't have to necessarily have the seafood with it. So that's what we're going to use. So we're going to get back here in a few minutes, get potatoes cut up, get them started going, get a fire going, and then we'll get our supper cooking.
Yep. This wind is not my friend.
Now, what are you cutting up? The smoked sausages, right?
Uh-huh.
Probably
This
in
is my
Louisiana,
favorite part.
it would probably do kielbasa or something pretty spicy.
Andouille or something like that.
Yeah, probably undo it, you're right. But these are just the regular smoked sausage. Use whatever you
This
like.
one been mashed a bit.
She already whacked up the corn. That was a fun job.
Oh, no, not.
She hated that. Okay, we got a pot of water going. We're using a 14-inch deep Dutch oven. And we're gonna start by adding our crab boil. We're gonna stir that in. Pour that in and then, now, all right, now we're gonna lower this down over the fire because we need to get this up pretty hot. There, then low, because the lower you are down, closer to the fire, the more heat you're gonna have. So that's where we wanna be. We wanna bring this to a boil.
If you like this video, please like, subscribe.
First thing we add is going to be quartered up yellow onions. Okay, Angel chopped up nice big bite-sized red potatoes. Those are the next thing to add in. All right.
Flowers going up there.
Okay, we're at a good boil. We've been cooking for a little while, so I think I got a lid stand. Okay. Potatoes and onions and seasoning been cooking for a little bit, so they're probably done enough to where we can go ahead and add our last two main ingredients, which is our smoked sausage and our corn. I think it's full, hon.
I think it is too.
I think it's full.
Go.
Okay, in this pot, we've added 2 sticks of salted butter and some garlic powder. And we're gonna put it down in fire pit so we have good melted garlic butter to drizzle over all this when it's done. go. Not that milk.
Oops, I'm too close to that.
What? Well, I'm just waiting. They're videoing. That's why I'm here.
All right, I think it's done. Now, there's only one way to serve a low country boil. You put out brown paper bags on your table, and then you scoop in with all your good, drain some of that off, and you start putting it right out on the table. Everybody will come and dig in. Well, we are on our way home from a trip to Illinois, and we're just now sitting at the Illinois River waiting for the ferry. We just pulled up and the timing's just about right. The ferry is just pulling in and we're getting ready to simply unload, and we'll get loaded up and head across, get to the other side so we can go getting close to Missouri, heading home.
Shame we can't get out because of COVID, you know.
Okay. this rain we've been having, there's quite a bit of trash out in the river. Pretty high too.
Can I turn it off now?
One should stop because I turned it on. Okay. Now you hit it, this one, and hold it down.
Engine's off.
Want to get out first? Or? I'm trying to get his step up there. Okay. Hey, wait a minute. I'm trying to. Hold on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, I can't pedal. That's right.
If you had stopped pedaling, I would have been fine.
I'm sorry. Whoops.
Well, I would have been fine if my guy got caught, no?